Alright, guys, sit in the heli. Sit in the heli. Sit in the heli, everyone.
No, now let them come.
Nah. If you know, one of them will sit in the pilot seat.
And right?
One of them will sit in the pilot seat then.
Yeah, I know.
Unit 40? At 40?
No. It's a typo. It's a typo. Don't worry, we'll fix
We
it.
have to wait half an hour here.
No. It's a typo. It's a typo. You know, while making the.
Hmm. Oh, you write. Lunalina, you write
What the
in
heck?
the roster. You write this in the roster. See.
Yeah, I just sometimes mistake like this happen. Man. You have to participate.
Yeah, noob. What are you doing here, huh?
Hey, I'm the professional right now. Hello, sir.
Mister, can I have your ID?
Yes, sir. Alright, I will participate.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, then please remove mask and show me your passport.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, wrong muscle.
Alright. Sit in,
Don't do
sit,
this thing. Right?
sit in heli. Sit in heli. Sit
I
in a
said
heli.
wrong muscle.
Keep sitting and sit in a heli.
Wrong muscle,
Hey,
buddy. Wrong muscle.
Okay. Sit in this alley. Back seat. Sit at the back. No, she is not here. She is
What the fuck? I am get.
be seated, okay?
And
Then who do
suddenly,
this to me?
you're no. And suddenly, your deputy governor just type on the left eye.
Okay, be seated in the heli, okay?
Buddy, wait for the competitor.
There's some yum. No, are they doing again? Hello.
Yeah.
Hello guys, how are you all?
Check your left
As
eye.
at the previous hostage situation, I need each and every one of your body cam. If you didn't provide the
Buddy,
body cam,
just give
I
me
will
the
take
winner
the
if I am
disciplinary
only.
action. Got it? Or
Going
should I
radio
repeat?
silence for events.
No need for ask them body count.
Don't go radio silence.
How
I
are
will
you,
tell you
my
the
have the body
I
cam
will
of
tell
the
you the comms
events.
in radio.
I have the body cam.
No, I will
Okay,
be
just listen to me, just provide it to me
once
in my
they are
DMs.
finished.
No, bro,
Got
I will
it?
blacklist them directly.
Are
If
they
I will ask,
correcting the statement?
I will
Yeah, I
blacklist
guess they are
them.
correct in the schedule.
I have something.
don't blacklist them, just provide me the body cam. I need to see each and every one of your body cam.
No, bro. I will
And if you
blacklist.
didn't provide the body cam, just be ready for the disciplinary action. I will not repeat that again.
You will.
Abhinav Sirohi, bro. Said first he said me insult my
I want body cam for the hostage situation, the previous one, the assassin family took part
You are
in.
DOC minister, yeah. I am dual minister.
Yeah,
I
I'm the
can
DOC
handle it
minister, but
better.
I need the body cam of that situation because I was the one from the government who was the senior at the time, and I just see many of you guys were breaking the rules,
first
entering
first
the.
he is insult my then
Just
I
Michael, listen to me. I am not talking to you right
Hello,
now.
buddy.
Mr.
How's
Please,
my
You
car?
guys just enter the gang
please sit
HQ.
in the
It is a
alley,
very big
or
rule
it
break
will
for
be
the
taken by.
organization, for the government, and so I need the each and every one of your body cam. That's it.
I don't want to conflict with you. Dual can handle it better.
But 10-5 will last. What was you saying?
I said I can handle it better because it's my department of dual. It's can I have body cam. I can handle it better.
If you have body cam, but I need it too. Just give it to me. That's it.
The
I
duel
was
will
saying.
take disciplinary action.
You guys can take
DOC
whatever the fuck you want to,
DOC
but I need the body cam of that situation.
is
That's it.
DOC interfering the duel?
I'm not interfering. I just need the body cam, nothing else.
I wish.
If
I
you
will
guys
not.
was present there, then why the hell you
I-
didn't handle that situation over there?
I won't share.
I
you
can
that.
I can clearly see that the 5 to
I
6
won't
guys
share
from
you
the
that.
government
I
entered
don't
the
want to
gang
agree
HQ.
with, agreement with you like this kind of things and no more conflict.
Okay,
So,
so
okay, you wanna, like, you're giving threat to me, yeah?
Mister, if you don't show me passport,
Like,
yes.
already saw the organizer.
Arey bro, I am a pilot. You dumb. Then, yeah, what is it?
Then you can already see my name.
No, I need for body cam purpose. Thank you. For money.
Let's let's have some practice, okay? Take road, drive, buddy.
No, I don't need any practice. You need practice. So
Yeah, that's why. Just
No,
drive, buddy.
no. Ask
And
any
take
other.
That's Sushan.
Function.
Brother,
And uses HR how copy.
Hello,
Yeah?
buddy. How much time it could take, buddy?
Just a couple of minutes. We are doing something right now, please. Have patience. Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah, buddy, do it fast because I have to go. You know, hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, like Dark Brother leg has been broken, so I have to go to PH and pay the money
Hey.
because the doctor is waiting for the money. If I get late, then the doctor have to cut the leg of Dark Brother.
Don't worry. We are the government. You will handle the EMS.
What?
Hey, do you know for government EMS is free?
But your brother is not in government now, buddy. He just
Don't
like
worry,
I don't
don't
have any
worry.
brother. I have sister. I have sister. See, you don't. You forget marriage of Philip.
buddy, your brother is from another mother. Ask your father.
Yeah.
ও তো টাইম দেওয়া দরকার নেই, একটু বেশি ভাব দেখায়, বুঝলো না?
পোলাপান নতুন হয়েছে না।
Mrs. Luna, where are you? I mean, what is your 1020?
Right next to you.
Yeah, okay. Like, what's the time?
Check mails. We are having discussion.
Okay.
Meeting with your deputy governor.
For it. Then I can.
Wait. I have to do a meeting. Guys, give me the money, bro. No one is coming. Do it, buddy, dark.
Arey, I am not a organization. I'm sorry. I am not a high command or not a deputy governor. Those. So
Don't worry, and even if someone doesn't come, you still have to jump from the height. And land
Buddy,
beside
if I am getting late, then is like his brother lost his leg.
Hey, you dumb! I don't have any brother. He is lying.
Bro, ask your mother.
Arrest him for false reporting.
Then ask your father. मछली जलती रहा. Buddy, just leave. Let's do it.
Just wait. Have patience, don't worry.
More than 15 minutes I'm standing, buddy.
Wait more 20 minutes, okay?
What the fuck are you saying? Just keep your mouth shut.
Yeah, wait more 20 minutes.
Then arrange chairs and bring some food and drinks, na?
You can sit in here, in the heli, and we will arrange the food.
But
Yeah,
what
I
about the
have-
food and drinks?
Yeah, I have some
Wait,
food. Do you want some food?
Yeah, for sure.
Food. Eat it, go and eat it.
Buddy, it's not food. What the fuck are you saying? Dog?
It is food. It is magical food. It can cure you
Yeah.
also.
And what about the drink, guys?
I mean, there's a fountain over here, I guess. You can drink from there.
What the fuck? Buddy,
Yeah, drink it. Go, MF, drink it, okay?
buddy, same to you for that. And it's not a fucking drink.
Alright, Abhi. We are just gonna wait for 16:20. If no one else comes, then you will be the only participant, and you will be taken up in the sky. Alright, then you will jump, and you will land beside me, and then you will win. Alright?
Buddy, you can directly give me if no one is participating.
No, we
That's
don't
not how
have-
it works,
we
you
have
know, buddy.
What the fuck? Hey, just keep your mouth shut.
Hey,
Take care of your brother.
Be professional. No toxicity, guys. and no hitting each other.
Disadvantage of being friend.
Just 6 more minutes, alright. Alright, then you will take it out.
If anyone have protection juice, just give me.
Yeah, eat this candy.
Oh my god, buddy, I get like I eat candy only from NG. You know?
Hey, what the fuck? Luna, see your left side.
Wait, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Corrupt F5, we forgot something.
Mm. Okay, Dark, after that just arrange the meeting, okay?
Go to capital.
I go, buddy, your unit is refusing.
So then put
Just
a
saying,
case file, okay?
Then it's, I guess we are gonna wait for 5 more minutes, and if no one else shows up, you can take, that person up in the sky, and then when I tell you, yeah, that was saying, we're gonna wait 5 more minutes, and if no one else shows up, you're gonna take that guy up to the sky, and
I can't hear
just,
you.
alright, wait.
Stevie Dark, how copy? Stevie Dark, how copy?
Yeah, I'm audible now?
Stevie Dark, how copy?
I'm audible now?
Now.
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible now.
Alright, so I was saying, if no one else shows up in the next 4 minutes, we will only have one participant, and you will take him up in the sky, alright?
Okay.
I mean,
Master
do not.
Federal, how copy?
It's vandalism.
I am making a donut to eat.
Master
Scarface,
Federal, how
how
copy?
Scarface, how copy?
They will
Scarface, how
go straight
copy?
away, buddy. Dark. You are saying that.
You mean
Woke up
Scarlet?
with one
No, Scarface, Scarface.
Ah, okay.
Now speak.
Scar, listen to me, just join the mails.
Speak.
WhatsApp.
Bitchy.
Hey, shut up.
Now what do it? Hey, you are eating food, what the fuck?
So I am not a
Yeah,
human.
If he's hungry,
No,
he can
no.
eat his food, man.
Just lay down in front of my car.
He has the
Why?
right to eat the food.
I will show you why.
No, I don't want to get die by.
Hey, what the fuck?
What the hell is this?
Yeah. If they're full of fear.
Just 3 more minutes, guys. Just 3 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes more.
Master Federal how copy, Master Federal how copy.
You still how
Master
copy?
Alright. Till then, I'm
Master
explaining you
Federal
rules. Alright, Abhi. The rules are simple. Alright. You do not, our unit will take you up to the sky from the heli. Alright. You do not
Okay.
jump from the heli until we say, else you will be disqualified. Alright.
Okay.
Your simple goal is to land beside me. Alright. Or anywhere near
I
me.
know. Oh,
And if there were more people, the first person to land beside me will win. But right now you are the only person, so take your time.
buddy, I will land here.
We will see that.
Yeah, for sure. Hey, Dark, just drive the alley.
All right, Zenitsu, please take him.
Let's go.
Please take him in a heli and go.
Okay.
Please follow.
Just
Please,
with one guy?
please get in the sky. Yeah, we're gonna start with Linwa. if no one else is going up.
Which alley should I sit? Luna.
Come. Follow me. This one. Sit in this. Then it's to, after reaching the maximum height, just let me know.
Luna, just take that heli because it's a time to like I have to jump, so that's take time.
Alright, why
Just
not?
take that one heli.
Come.
Zenitsu, just set in the buzzard. He wants,
I will be.
No, don't worry, Doc. You stay with me over here. Let Zenitsu drive.
Okay, thank you.
Go Zenitsu in the buzzard. Ah, a typo can, waste of a very lot
Wait,
of time.
what if Citizen came here at 40 then?
Nah, they won't show up.
Then
I know that for sure.
Mrs. Luna, let me know when he should jump.
Let me know first of all when you reach the maximum height.
10-5.
Let me know when you reach the maximum height first of all.
Okay, 10-4.
Luna, can you come mails after this?
Yeah, sure.
I want to talk to you about something.
Sure.
Okay, we reset the location.
All right. Then let him jump in 3, 2, 1. Tell him to jump down. Tell him to jump.
He jumped.
All right.
Where he is going?
I have some black magic. I didn't even see your parachute, man. Congratulations.
Listen. Like that guy just take me above the clouds. I can't see the observatory.
Yeah, because it was, the maximum height.
Yeah.
Don't worry. You won. Congratulations on winning. I'm gonna transfer you the money in your hands. Just let me know after the amount and state the amount. All right.
Yeah.
And put it in left eye, okay?
All right. Please tell me.
How much you got in left eye?
Yeah. Please also tell me as I got.
I got 250k.
No, in left eye.
All
Left eye.
right. Hey, no, it works.
Already do.
All right. Have a nice day.
Have a good day. Let's have a party, guys. Come.
Now give me all the money, okay?
Come.
Is the event over?